Welcome to lecture 3, where we shall learn what is argon plane, what is the modulus of a complex number, what is the conjugate of a complex number, and the principal argument of a complex number. So let us understand first what is complex plane, which is also called argon plane, as per the name of the inventor. A complex plane is very similar to the two-dimensional coordinate plane. This is the xy coordinate plane, and here is a point x comma y. Now in complex plane we call this x-axis as REZ, real axis of the complex number z, and this is imaginary axis of the complex number z, and this point is replaced by x plus iota y, which is the given complex number, where this distance is called the real part and this distance is the imaginary part. Now understand the concept of conjugate of a complex number. The conjugate of a complex number is nothing but the mirror image of a complex number with respect to the real axis. See, if I come down this distance given by x minus iota y, this is exactly mirror image of that. Okay, if there is a point minus x minus iota y, conjugate will be reflected to the second quadrant at the same distance here, which is given by minus x plus iota y. Like that, whatever is given, you change the sign of the imaginary part and get the conjugate. Now let us take a standard problem based on conjugate. Find the real numbers x and y if x minus iota y into 3 plus 5 iota is the conjugate of minus 6 minus 24 iota. Here we have to understand the meaning of the question first. The conjugate of minus 6 minus 24 iota will be minus 6 plus 24 iota. By changing the imaginary part sign, we have learnt already. Okay. Now the question says that this product is the equivalent conjugate of this number. That means equal to this number. Okay. So we have to reduce this expression in the standard form of x plus minus iota y, and then we shall make equal to this. Okay. Now x minus iota y into 3 plus 5 iota equal to 3x plus 5x iota minus 3y iota, then minus plus minus 5y iota square equal to 3x, and this will be plus. Okay, iota square is equal to minus 1, so minus minus plus I can write plus 5y. Okay, and then plus iota common into 5x and minus 3y. Okay, this is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Implies 3x plus 5y is equal to minus 6. That means equating the real parts from both the sides. Okay, this equal to that, and imaginary parts will be this part equal to 24. So mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. These are two equations in two variables. Okay, so now we see that here plus 5y and here minus 3y. So multiply this line with 5 and this equation with 3. 9x plus 15y is equal to minus 18, and next line by 5. 25x minus 15y equal to 24 into 5 is equal to 120. Okay, adding both equations, this cancel. Okay, 34x equal to 102 implies x will be 3. Okay. Now from 1, this 3 is going here. 9 plus 5y is equal to minus 6 implies 5y is equal to minus 15 implies I is equal to obviously minus 3. Okay, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 15. This is the answer. Okay, so for today we are closing here. Next day we shall start to understand modulus of a complex number